Happy birthday, AJ!
Cheers!
Happy birthday, Tita AJ!
Happy birthday, AJ! Sabi nga ni Taylor Swift, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. So, ang wish ko sa iyo ngayon ay maging kasing liwanag ng fountain na to ang buhay mo. Sana mag-enjoy ka. And thank you for your kindness, generosity, and your existence. Love ya!
Hi Barbs! Happy birthday to you! Wish you all the best and enjoy din sa US. Love you!
If you're watching this video, the US of A welcomes you. Happy birthday, Mom! I hope you the best, tapos more laugh trips to come. Kahit binabash yung tawa natin, never change it. Love you, Mom!
Happy 22nd birthday, Mom. I hope for more birthdays to come. And I wish for more money and more blessings to come your way. Paldone!
Happy birthday, Mom!
Happy birthday, Ate EJ. I love you. You're the best ate in the world. Mwah! Happy birthday, Ate EJ. I love you. You're the best ate in the world. Mwah!
Happy birthday sa aking pamangkin, AJ. Lagi mong panatilihin ang pagmamahal at masunurin sa magulang. At huwag mong pababayan ang iyong sarili. Huwag kang magpapagutom dyan, ha? Stay blessed. Stay humble. Yun lang. Happy birthday. I love you, AJ.
Happy birthday sa una kong apo. Makamit mo sana ang mga pinapangarap mo sa buhay. Andito lang kami, sumusuporta sa iyo. I love you.
Happy birthday, EJ! Love you from
Happiest birthday, Mom. I just want to greet you the happiest birthday. I hope you're being filled with so much love and warmth because you truly deserve it. I just want to start with saying we'll always be here for you no matter what the circumstances are. And like I said, kahit busy man ako o hindi, natutulog man ako o hindi, any time of the day, if you say you need someone to talk to, you have me, always. I also want to say sorry for the little arguments we had. And I also want to say thank you especially for the little things, for the big things. They mean so much to me. They mean so much to us. You're halfway across the world, and I hope you're always safe. Have fun there palagi, and I'll see you very soon. Happy birthday, Mom. I love you, and to more pasabays. Bye!